Hey my foodie friends and family, how you doing? Well, it's been raining here in Toronto for the last couple of days, and it's time for a Japanese style beef curry to warm you up and keep you dry. This is using leftover roast beef. Whatever you had Saturday night dinner roast beef is now going to be Sunday dinner Japanese curry. So I'm using my Instant Pot, and I put in 1 liter of beef broth, and I'm just bringing that up to a boil on the saute function. And I'm going to start adding all the other goodies that will make this curry delicious. I am going to add curry roux though. I'm just sticking the fan on because I see that it's giving me a lot of steam on the camera, so you can't see best, so I'm clearing that up for you. I'm using 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now I'm not following absolute traditional Japanese curry rules here for this, but you use your own interpretation. I'm just using the Japanese curry roux squares. I'm using 4. You can use any flavor and any heat intensity that you like. You know me, I'll probably use mild, but there are definitely medium, hot, and extra hot squares out there. Use whatever you prefer. You can see that's come up to a beautiful, thick curry sauce. And now I'm going to add the leftover roast beef. It's about 1 pound that I've just cut up into, bite-sized pieces. I'm adding 2 to 3 potatoes that I've cubed. And 1 onion that I've quartered, and 2 carrots. There's 1 orange there and 1 purple. You can adjust these ingredients to whatever you prefer. If you don't like carrots, maybe put something else, or not. It's up to you. There's no right or wrong with this. Cover the Instant Pot, and I pressure cook this for about 20 minutes. And you get this luxurious Japanese style beef curry. It's absolutely delicious. Serve it up with some nice rice, and you have a beautiful Sunday night dinner. I hope you guys like it. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Love to have more foodies here with me. Thanks for stopping by for some more curry recipes that warm your soul. We'll see you next time.